For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cell phone repair business can be a profitable and sustainable venture in today's tech-reliant world. Smartphones are essential to daily life, and the demand for repair services continues to grow as devices break, malfunction, or suffer accidental damage. Leveraging free AI tools can reduce startup costs, improve operations, and provide a competitive edge. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of starting a successful cell phone repair business using free AI technology. Step 1. Conduct market research using free AI. Begin by assessing the demand for cell phone repair services in your target area. AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends can help analyze local interest, pricing benchmarks, and competitors. Use ChatGPT to simulate market analysis by entering a prompt like, "Act as a business analyst. What is the demand for cell phone repair services in your city?" List key trends, common services, and competitor weaknesses. This can give you a quick overview of opportunities. You can also use tools like Google Bard or Perplexity.ai to gather competitive intelligence or explore popular questions related to phone repair. These tools summarize search engine insights and online content, helping you understand customer pain points and preferred solutions. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. Next, use AI to draft a comprehensive business plan. ChatGPT or Notion AI can generate a structured plan including executive summary, service offerings, marketing, financial projections, and operations. A useful prompt for ChatGPT is, create a detailed business plan for a startup cell phone repair business operating in a small urban area, including estimated startup costs and revenue model. This plan will help guide your decisions and serve as a document to present to partners or investors if needed. Use AI to break down each section and iterate quickly, adjusting based on your goals and budget. Step 3. Choose a business structure and name with AI assistance. Decide whether you'll operate as a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. AI won't file your paperwork, but it can help explain the pros and cons of each structure. Try, what are the pros and cons of forming an LLC versus sole proprietorship for a cell phone repair business in your state? When brainstorming a name, use AI creativity tools like ChatGPT or Namelix. You can prompt ChatGPT with, generate 10 creative and brandable business names for a cell phone repair business that focuses on quick turnaround and quality service. Once you have your name, check domain availability on platforms like GoDaddy and secure matching social media handles using a tool like Namechecker. Step 4. Identify equipment and supply needs using AI. Compile a list of tools and equipment needed, such as screwdrivers, tweezers, heat guns, magnifying lamps, screen separators, and ESD safe mats. ChatGPT can help with prompts like, list all essential tools and materials required to open a basic cell phone repair shop. Include average costs and suppliers. Use AI-generated lists to estimate your initial investment and compare suppliers online. You can also use ChatGPT to generate training schedules or guides for each tool. Write a simple training plan for a beginner to learn how to use all essential phone repair tools within 30 days. Step 5. Learn the skills with AI-guided resources. Even if you're not yet an expert, you can become one using YouTube, Reddit, and AI tools to curate repair tutorials and learning paths. Ask ChatGPT, what's the fastest way to learn to repair iPhones and Androids as a beginner? Create a 4-week self-study curriculum with free online resources. You can also use Claude or Gemini to analyze repair guides or generate simplified summaries of technical manuals. AI can help you convert complex content into easy-to-follow instructions or quizzes to test your skills. Step 6. Build a service menu and pricing strategy. Determine what types of repairs you'll offer: screen replacement, battery swaps, water damage recovery, charging port repair, and software fixes. Then decide how to price each service. Use ChatGPT with, List common cell phone repair services and the average pricing for each in your city. Also suggest how to price competitively. AI can also help simulate profit margins. Try. Calculate the expected profit per iPhone screen repair if the parts cost $30. Labor takes 1 hour, and I charge $100 per repair. This will help you refine your pricing model and plan for profit. Step 7. Set up your shop or mobile service. Decide whether to rent a small space, work from home, or operate as a mobile repair unit. Use ChatGPT to help assess your options with a prompt like, compare the pros and cons of operating a mobile cell phone repair business versus a storefront in an urban area. Once you've decided, use tools like Canva's free AI design tools to create signage, branding materials, and shop layouts. ChatGPT can also help create equipment checklists for your physical setup. What do I need to set up a small phone repair shop at home, including workspace and storage? Step 8. Develop a marketing plan with AI tools. Marketing is critical to attract your first customers. Use ChatGPT to build your marketing strategy with a prompt like, create a marketing plan for a new cell phone repair business with a $500 budget. Include online and offline strategies. Canva's free AI design features allow you to design flyers, logos, social media posts, and Google Ad graphics. For copywriting, use ChatGPT to generate ad headlines, slogans, and website content. Try. Write a short and catchy Instagram caption promoting same-day screen repair services in your city. AI video tools like InVideo or Lumen 5 can help you turn repair videos or testimonials into polished clips to post on social media for free. Conclusion. Starting a cell phone repair business is a smart move in a world where everyone relies on smartphones. With the help of free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Trends, you can build, market, and grow your business with minimal upfront investment. AI helps you handle planning, design, content creation, marketing, and even training, making the launch process more accessible and less expensive. By following these steps and using the suggested AI tools and prompts, you'll be well on your way to establishing a reliable income stream and building a reputation for trusted, expert repairs in your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.